Go High Level just changed the game for agencies. If you missed the LevelUp Summit in Dallas, don't worry. I'm breaking down the top 5 updates that will transform how you automate and scale on GHL. Hey everyone, this is Husnain from Xort Logix. We build advanced automations and custom dashboards for agencies and businesses worldwide. So let's jump straight into what's new. This is the biggest update. Now you can structure data beyond context and opportunities like properties, vehicles, pets, subscriptions, service plans. Basically, GHL now thinks like a real CRM. This unlocks the enterprise level automations. AI is no longer just writing the messages. It's making decisions, triggering automations, handling objections, and even updating CRM data in real time. This is where agencies gain massive efficiency. If you manage multiple businesses or franchise locations, now you can run separate branded experiences from one backend. Templates, funnels, branding tailored for each client or brand. Agency owners, believe me, this is a revenue multiplier. Think Shopify for services inside GHL. You can now sell automation packages, snapshots, AI workflows, and clients can buy them just like apps. Huge opportunity for recurring income. More granular data, role-based reporting, real pipeline intelligence with product level visibility. So finally, revenue tracking that leaders can trust. These updates are reshaping what's possible inside GoHighLevel, and agencies that adopt early will lead the market. If you want to scale without breaking your systems, use AI to streamline fulfillment, unlock deeper analytics, and get smarter automation. Stay ahead of every new GHL update, then make sure you follow this channel. I'll be breaking down each LevelUp update with real examples, tutorials, and strategies your agency can use immediately. Subscribe now. Let's build your agency's next breakthrough together.